Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to convert Bcoins to diamonds on BuzzCast. So let's get started. Begin by launching your BuzzCast application. Make sure you're logged into your BuzzCast account. Now tap on the icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Select Wallet option. Then select Income option. To convert Bcoins to diamonds on BuzzCast, tap on Convert to Diamonds option. And then select any one of the options that you prefer. And this is how you can convert Bcoins to diamonds on BuzzCast. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.